Hello and welcome back to Advent of Code 2019, day 21, part 2. I guess we're continuing with part 2. So as a reminder, oh, hang on, let's put music on. We've got this Boolean expression thing. Seems quite tricky. We solved it for B and C. So, okay, so A and D. Originally we had A, B, C, and D. If A was a hole, we would always jump, for sure. Otherwise you would fall into the hole. So we need so A doesn't matter. Okay. Similarly, D, if D is not a hole, well, if D is a hole, we never jump, because we would land in a hole. So D doesn't matter either, or at least it's a trivial check. So we figured out what to do with those two. Alright, and then it came down to B and C. And we found a Boolean expression. So I think the general case, it would not be possible to write a script in only 15 instructions that could solve this with E, F, G, H, I added in, because there's just too many possibilities to account for. So I reckon it's actually going to be much simpler. Just the expression we need is going to be simpler and can be probably even be checked, derived by hand. We just need to find some cases where it fails, analyze those cases, reassess. Alright, before I do that though, there's something I wanted to check as well. So, let me test this out. Okay, it's screwed up. Oh, there we go. Alright. This is just a little Java applet I downloaded. It's a truth table solver. You give it a truth table and it gives you a Boolean expression, a simplified Boolean expression as a conjunction of thingies. So let's try doing this. So we've got A, B, rename these properly, C and D. All right. Now, so, oh, my coffee's ready. Hello, dear Jay. Just had to get my coffee. So, I'm testing this applet out for part 1. So the idea is if I give it an assignment of zeros and ones that would result in a jump for what I want, then this program would use what's known as the, I don't know, the McKinsey something or other algorithm to find a simple Boolean expression which would describe what I'm trying to see. What I'm trying to get. And we've already solved part 1, but let's see what it gives us and then we can try it for part 2. So we've got A, B, C, and D. Now we know that for A... Hang on. Let me open this up. So jump is 1. 0 means don't jump. Okay. So hole... If it's a ground, it was 1, was it? Let me check what it actually was. Yeah. If it's ground, it's 1. If it's a hole, it's 0. All right. So so if it's a hole, we jump. So we just do this, right? If it's if A is 0, there's a hole, we jump. Okay. Now for the D's, if D is a hole, we don't jump. So for all the zeros, well, this one is what's D? Does that mean